Now, your 41 NBC First Alert forecast from the 5-Star Automotive Storm Center.
Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for staying with us. Here's what we can expect this week. Warmer than average temperatures for the next several days, and then going into Thursday, we see a setup where we're looking at a frontal system coming in, bringing us rain and storms, and then cooler temperatures to round out the week. So let's get to it. First and foremost, your current temperatures. Anywhere between 86 and 91 degrees. Not quite as hot as about an hour, 2 hours ago, but still very warm temperatures. We reached up to 90 earlier in Macon. Now you folks are down to 86, 88 in Warner Robins, Dublin, Milledgeville, Forsyth, and Abbeville, 89 in Vienna and Sandersville, 86 in Montezuma, 91 in McRae. Another hot day. Always good to check on the elderly neighbors, just make sure how they're doing, especially with the extreme, well, I don't want to say extreme heat, so let me get rid of that extreme, but definitely the much hotter than average temperatures that we're seeing for the beginning of May or middle of May. How about that? Some pop-up showers in the area. To our west, to our north, not seeing rainfall popping up in the viewing area. So I'm sure a lot of you are happy about that. As I would say, don't plan your day around the storms because we're not looking at a lot of storms. It's pretty quiet, really, in the Peach State. However, to the west, we see a long line of heavy rainfall moving through Missouri down to Oklahoma and Texas. Very heavy rainfall with this system. It's moving to the east. We're expecting this frontal system to continue its way on its merry little way into our area. By Wednesday, we're still looking at generally the same pattern with maybe some showers, maybe some storms, but mostly just pop-up stuff, and that's it. But it'll be getting close, and by Thursday, we'll see a lot more rainfall with this, to the point that we could get upwards to 1 inch, 2 inches of rainfall total on your GFS model, the Global Forecast System, that is, one of the main models we use. So at 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, you might also be wondering how the storm potential is, and I'm not forecasting any severe weather with this system besides maybe, and I stress maybe, an isolated severe storm. The wind shear on the ground level is going to be extremely low, and we're going to see enough convective energy for thunderstorms, but I'm not thinking it'll be a big factor for severe weather. Weather outlook throughout the week. Trough getting into our area with this frontal system. It'll settle into our area by the end of the week. That's going to give us 70s for your highs later this week to close out the work week. And that's the last time I'm going to try to say week until the 7-day forecast. This evening, 80 degrees, partly cloudy skies, maybe a storm, but nothing widespread. Tomorrow morning, expect temperatures in the 60s, low 60s at that, partly sunny skies and mild. Pollen forecast, same as today, so if you've been getting the sniffles today, tomorrow it's going to be the same thing, folks. Same kind of pollen levels. 5-Star Automotive 7-day forecast. Here you go. Slight chance for some storms the next couple of days. High chance on Thursday, and then dry as a bone Friday through Monday with cooler, pleasant temperatures.